Welcome to this walkthrough of our automated lead enrichment workflow using NA10. It all starts with a simple checkbox in Airtable. When we check the box labeled Start Lead Enrichment, it triggers a webhook in N8N. This webhook sends the record ID to the next node, called getRecord. Here, we retrieve the full company information from Airtable using that ID. Next, we pass this data to the Clean Company Name node. This step extracts the raw company name, an encoded version of the name, and its location, preparing it for accurate enrichment. Then we move to the Search Apollo node. This is where we pull rich data from Apollo.io, including the company's phone number, website, LinkedIn URL, and other relevant details. Now we jump into a code node where we merge all the Apollo data into one structured object. This object is sent to the Find Best Matches node. In this step, we compare the scraped data against our target company name and location to identify the most accurate match. Once we confirm the best match, we proceed to Scrape Company LinkedIn. Here, we fetch detailed content from the company's LinkedIn page. We then clean this content in a code node, stripping out all HTML and converting it into plain text. The next step is Identify Exact Company Name. This node analyzes the clean text to pinpoint the precise name of the company. After that, we extract employee details. You can see this data in the output, names, roles, and more. All this information is then merged in another code node, consolidating the enriched company and employee data. Now comes the crucial part, identifying decision makers. In the Determine Decision Makers node, we analyze titles and roles to filter for key people like founders, managers, and executives. We then convert this refined list into JSON format. Next, we find and validate the emails of these decision makers. After a brief wait, just 60 seconds, we download a CSV of verified emails, including first names and last names of each contact. Finally, we split the data to isolate individual decision-maker records and store all this enriched information back into Airtable. And that's it. An end-to-end automated process for lead enrichment powered by NA10.